Global Textile Design is unlike any other program that exists across the globe. That's really why we created it.
It is designed by the two oldest and most reputable textile institutes in the world. We've collaborated for several years together, and the development of this program is completely unique. We are training leaders in the field, and we expect the students to have such passion about textiles, sustainability, artisanship, heritage.
My favorite thing about studying at TJU is I am able to learn skills in different areas of textile design, such as print, weaving, and knit.
My favorite thing about studying at TJU was that we got dropped into a completely different culture and an education system where they do things differently. So we were able to gain a different perspective and an insight to their industry.
My favorite thing about studying at Heriot-Watt is the community, and one more thing that I really love is the facilities. I think they're absolutely amazing. The facilities are, first of all, industry level, so that's also a good reason why I chose the university, but more than that, the facilities really prepare you for when you will enter the field that you want to work in.
Some of the key features of Jefferson's East Falls campus: we have wonderful collaborative makerspaces. We excel in both analog and digital technologies across all textile platforms.
The thing I found surprising about studying at Heriot-Watt is that you're able to focus on a specific part of textile design that maybe you're most interested in.
Thomas Jefferson University and Heriot-Watt University have a very long-standing and special relationship that dates back over 40 years.
There's a wonderful synergy between the two institutions that you will see when you join us in this program.
I think a lot of what we do at Heriot-Watt is based on you being in charge of your own learning, and it's very big picture oriented from what I have experienced. So you're learning a lot about research and concepts and how to pull everything together, whereas at Thomas Jefferson it's a lot of skill-based learning and more specific technical skills. So I think bringing those two together is kind of the best of both worlds.
Global Textile Design incorporates internships for our students in the summer. These are required credit-bearing internships. And what we can tell you is we have employers already ready for you. They want you in their companies. These are companies that are across the globe. They could be in New York City, they could be in North Carolina, they could be on the West Coast of the US. They also could be elsewhere in the UK or other places in the globe. Important industry leaders are ready for you to join their companies.
We would expect graduates from this program to be world leaders in the field of textile design. We want the students to have all of the information that they would need to take their ideas fully forward into industry, to be very innovative with materials, with processes, to make networks which are very unique in terms of, they have a global reach, and therefore they can implement these ideas on a very international stage. There's nowhere else in the world where you can experience textile design in such depth from two different campuses with the networks and the facilities of both places at your disposal. It's going to be an amazing opportunity for you to study with us.